Hello, lovely viewer. You are welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to earn money in Ghana with this international website called Money International. So the link to this website is in the description, so you can check it out. So when you are on this site, it will require you to register an account. So you will enter your telephone number at this section. You are not going to begin your telephone number with 0. So I'm going to enter my number and enter, and you will come to the name section. You are going to enter your real name, no fake names. So I'll enter my real name, Harrison Wells. You are going to choose a password. Your password must contain alphabet, symbols, and numbers. So I'm going to choose my password, Ghana at 60. That's my password. Very funny. And the invitation code section, the website will generate invitation code for you, so you don't have to enter anything there. So when you are done entering your password, come to SMS code section. Click on send code. Click on send code. When you click on send code, they will send you an SMS code, and you will put it at the SMS code section. As for me, I have an account already, so I will log in. I will log into my account and show you how to earn from this site. Oh, my number is already there, so I'll enter my password. And click on sign in. Login successful. You see, I have 2 CD in my account. So I'm going to the home of this page. My network is very slow, that's why. So you click on confirm. This is the home page of the website. When you want to earn from this site, you click on this tax icon over here. Immediately you click on this tax icon over here, it will generate 1 Ghana cedi into your account daily. Every day when you click on this tax icon, it will generate 1 Ghana cedi into your account daily. But if you want to earn high commissions, you need to join their VIP programs. As for VIP 1, you are going to get 12 cedi commission daily. So let me click on the receive to check more about it. You see, VIP 1, you need to purchase it at a price of 200 cedis, and it lasts for 30 days, and the profit is 12 cedis daily. 12 cedis, you are going to get 12 cedis daily from VIP 1, and VIP 2 is 500 cedis. It lasts for 30 days. The profit is 30 cedis daily. But today I'll be showing how to earn free from this site without investing. So let's go to the home page. Click on confirm. So you click on invite to join. Invite to join. So and you copy your invitation link and send it to your friends to join through your invitation link, which will enable you to get 1 Ghana cedi per invitation. Any friend who registered through your invitation link, you will get 1 Ghana cedi. So please copy the invitation link and share it to your friends on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere, WhatsApp, for them to join, for you to earn more. That's a free trick. But so let me show you how to withdraw from this site. Yeah, the withdrawal is very good. You can withdraw through mobile money. So when you come to my section, you click on withdrawal. Input your mobile money number. Enter, may choose the method of withdrawal. Me, I will choose MTN mobile money. Confirm and enter the price you want to withdraw over here. The minimum withdrawal is 100 cedis. After that, you click on send SMS code. After you get the SMS code, you enter it there at the section over there. I'm not having enough amount in my account, so I cannot make withdrawal. Please enter the correct amount. My amount is not enough. So guys, that's how to earn from this site. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like my videos for more updates. And guys, please again, the link to this site is in the description. So check it out to register so that you can earn more money in 2022. Thank you guys.